In January of 2021, a hacker logged on to a computer system in the San Francisco Water District and deleted the software that they used to treat the area's drinking water supply. This person didn't use some sort of advanced password cracking algorithm or a team of hooded government spies. They used a traditional username and password. Just like the hundreds of millions of usernames and passwords that are currently leaked all over the internet, underscoring the danger of reusing your passwords across multiple sites and services. If you have the same credentials for 100 websites, it just takes one breach and suddenly all of your accounts are compromised. Now, for the record, we don't know specifically that that's the case here, but all of the signs are consistent with other public breaches like this. This could be what happened here. It could be a brute force password crack. It could be an ex-employee acting maliciously, or someone innocently emailing their own username and password to a coworker for help. There are a lot of ways the information could have leaked. The exact method isn't clear. What is extremely clear is that water treatment facilities across the country are not doing enough to secure their critical systems. The most basic 2021 security measures are highly successful in preventing these sorts of hacks, but these organizations either lack the personnel, the partners, or leadership to implement them. Now, until these organizations accept the accountability to install bare minimum modern security practices and policies, the public water supply will remain an easy target for amateur hackers. Thank you so much for watching. If you get value from our content, I would really appreciate it if you click like on the post, subscribe to our channel, or share it out with somebody. If your business would like to join Team TechRunner, or you know of a business who's looking for a new IT partner, click the link in the description below to let us know. Once again, thank you so much.